In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Atlas for SEO auditing. And we aim for a clear, effective walkthrough that'll take just a little over 2 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started with these steps that will guide you to audit a web page for SEO using ChatGPT Atlas. First off, let's open ChatGPT Atlas. If you aren't familiar with this tool, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. What you'll need to do is locate the ChatGPT Atlas in your web browser and click to open it. This tool is an excellent resource for a wide range of tasks, leveraging the capabilities of AI to assist in various domains, including SEO. Once you have ChatGPT Atlas up and running, you'll want to type Tesla into the search bar. This step is crucial as it directs the software to pull up information related to Tesla. Now, after typing Tesla, go ahead and click on the website link that appears. This action will lead you straight to Tesla's webpage, which is the page you'll be auditing. Now that you're on the Tesla webpage, it's time to take advantage of ChatGPT's extended features. Find your way to the sidebar, typically located on the screen's left or right side. Clicking the sidebar is essential because this is where you'll find the option to Ask ChatGPT. The sidebar is a common feature in many apps and websites as it provides quick and easy access to different tools, and here it serves as your gateway to the chat function. Having accessed the chat, now comes the core part of this task. You'll need to create a prompt. For our purposes today, let's use the prompt, "Audit this page for SEO." What this prompt does is instruct the AI to analyze the web page specifically for SEO performance and areas that can be optimized. This is useful not only for understanding how well the page might rank in search engines, but also for identifying actionable improvements. Finally, after typing out your prompt, simply click the Submit button. Once submitted, ChatGPT will work its magic. Within moments, you should start to see an analysis of the Tesla webpage, offering insights and suggestions regarding SEO practices. It's worth mentioning that while these AI-driven audits can be incredibly informative, you should always consider this as one component of a broader SEO strategy. And that's it. You've just completed an SEO audit using ChatGPT Atlas. This method is efficient and straightforward, making it a handy skill for your digital toolkit. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has highlighted just how easy it can be to conduct SEO audits with the right resources at your disposal. Stay tuned for more practical guides and tips.